In this video, we are going to see how we can fix the problem if your Microsoft Edge is not opening the PDF files. Here's a quick fix for you. First of all, just go to the start menu and right here, control panel, click on that. And after that, we hit programs and we click on default programs after that. Now, once we click here, we choose Microsoft Edge here, click on it. And for the PDF extension, as you can see, it is associated with Google Chrome. All we have to do is just click on this and set it to Microsoft and set it as default. After that, the PDF file will successfully open. Let's just also try to see if that works or not. So I have opened one presentation, and as you can see, it is open in the Microsoft Edge browser, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.